Dimensions of gender. People tend to use the terms sex and gender interchangeably. While connected, the two terms are not equivalent. Generally, we assign a newborn's sex as either male or female. This is based on the baby's genitals. Once a sex is assigned, we presume the child's gender. For some, this is a cause for concern or at least further thought. Social norms often dictate and assign roles to sex-assigned gender. A culture or nation-state's assignment may not align with their gender or gender-related ideas and assumptions that are associated with their sex. A person's gender is a complex interrelationship between three dimensions: our physical body, our identity and our expression. Body, how society engenders appearance, and how others interact with us based on our physical characteristics. Identity, our deeply held, internal sense of self as masculine, feminine, a blend of both, neither, or something else. Identity also includes the names we use to convey our gender. Gender identity can correspond to or differ from the sex we are assigned at birth. Expression, how we present our gender in the world and how society, culture, community, and family interact with and shape our gender. Gender expression is also related to gender roles and how society values those roles or try to enforce conformity to current gender norms. A person's comfort in their gender is related to the degree to which these three dimensions are in harmony with cultural or national norms. The two gender identities most people are familiar with are boy and girl or man and woman, and often people think only of two gender identities. This idea that there are only two genders and that each individual must be either one or the other is called the gender binary. However, throughout human history we know that many societies have seen gender as a spectrum, and not limited to just two possibilities. Social norms around gender expression change across societies and over time. One need only consider men wearing earrings or women having tattoos to see the flexibility of social expectations about gender. Through a combination of social conditioning and personal preference, by age 3 most children prefer activities and exhibit behaviors typically associated with their assigned gender. For individuals who fit fairly neatly into expected gender roles and expression, there may be little cause to think about, or question, their gender.